What'd you put in my ass? A tomato. Okay. Really emphasize.
Stop telling me what to do, Mom.
Just kidding.
Say that. Good.
Okay. Shula.
See, let's work. Say that again. No. Hi guys, this is KissKrazzy.
They don't like our voices, remember?
This is Sorsha, Shula, if you haven't known. Who you talking to? I'm just kidding. I'm like, what is this guy? Get out! Get out! Get out! I'm just kidding. And there was a competition. Hurry up! Leave me alone!
Yeah, she beat.
She's. That's a good thumbnail. You stepped on my sushi.
No, I spilled on my food. I mean, on my leg. Food is leg.
Like, she's so slow. It takes her about like 40 minutes to get dressed. And it's just a t-shirt and some shorts, probably.
Or just a shirt.
Or just a shirt. Or a dress.
So far, it's been a big fail. This video sucks. I almost died.
I do it out of spite. Yeah, I know you do. I see the evil in your eyes. Thank you. So, we accept your stop.
Sorry.
Hang on to my thumb like that.
Okay.
You're perfect. Ooh, flex. I'm sorry.
Shush!
Okay. So we accept your challenge. I don't know, some stupid shit like that. Okay, ready? Accept your challenge. She hit me in the face.
Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sprite.
Right.
Stop it.
Sorry.
Actually, I want to hear clap. I want to clap. I'm not used to this. Okay.
Did you throw up the store?
God damn, my sister fart stinks. It fucking stinks.
That's what that smell is.
Oh my god. Next one's gonna be. Come back for a party video. Come back for a party video.
See, I don't know how to do it. I give up. Okay, that's better. I give up. We accept your banana and Sprite challenge.
Where you don't laugh.
But your burps aren't that great.
I've had 3 good ones.
It's as bad as
3 good ones. I'm sorry.
Fuck y'all banana and Sprite. I'm just kidding. Cut that part off.
Disgusting. Okay, water. My vagina's gonna burn.
Why is that? On what?
Why is that a thing?
Oh, because when you pee, all that soda's coming out. Don't
Don't open your mouth like that. Looks like you're trying to catch that.
No. ISIS. Gross.
Okay, we're done.
Like, share, subscribe, comment. You're supposed to say it together. Oh, well, you need to comment too. You don't need comments. fine. Okay.